welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to teach you one smoothie I swear by. Alright, this smoothie, since you're at home, this smoothie is going to be refreshing, filling, and most of all, delicious. Alright, this is my avocado smoothie. Okay, for this smoothie we need 1 cup of milk, 1 banana, 1 avocado pear, and 1 apple. Loves, we've come to the end of today's video. If you love my avocado smoothie, give me a big thumbs up. Alright, and remember to subscribe and put on the notification bell as you've subscribed. Okay, remain blessed.